Hello friends and welcome back. Check it out. 7 days without water right now, but that's not what this is about. Let's make some sparks. Let me jump down here to the golf green. I want to show you what's going on and what I had done to help me in my process of getting this thing whipped into shape. All right, so there's my beautiful Hudson Star back there. Now, I just had the reel ground, the bed knife ground, everything reset back up by a gentleman with a very cool business. I want to give a shout out to him right here. His company is called Relief Grind. Genius. He shows up, he sets up, he sharpens, he does everything to your reel mowers. You guys, this guy is purely professional. I want to show you exactly what he did to these mowers.
This is Joe Robinson. He's been in the golf game for a long time, and he recently decided to start his own business called Relief Grind. Now, he set up this trailer with everything that he needs in order to grind reels, grind bed knives, then he resets everything up to about 1/1000th of an inch. So even on the Hudson, I would say that that's a little bit of a tight reel to bed knife. Having free spin on the Hudson is good, but just after a couple of pushes around the green, it sort of resolved itself, so that worked out pretty well. Watching this whole process was pretty fun, but really that's all I could do. Film a little bit, watch it, see how it worked. It took a couple hours to get everything done. Joe charges $100 per reel, which is an incredible value for somebody who comes to your house. So if you guys have reel mowers, you need them sharpened, you're in Utah, first of all, call this guy up, contact info below. You will not be disappointed. I guess the big question on everybody's mind is, well, how did it cut? I'm going to tell you, smooth as butter and like a dream. I'm putting my green back to 1/10 of an inch, and that's where she's going to stay for the rest of the summer. Absolutely incredible.
All right, well, you guys haven't seen that mower laying around here before, and there's a reason. I picked this thing up not that long ago for one major reason. The grooming. So one thing that had happened out here is as I kind of sped up the growth and I was not mowing enough and just trying to recover the green, the grass blades really started to lay down, and it's very difficult to just stand them back up. They like to just mat down on top of each other. So in order to have a really nice, fast putting surface, you really don't want that. You want your grass standing straight up. Now, this mower will be with me at least for a little while, and I may put it up for sale here at the end of the season. But it's been instrumental in standing the grass blades back up, and I've still been cutting with the Hudson. This is actually set at 0.4 right now, so it's up pretty high, and the groomer is just kind of standing everything up, and then I'm cutting it down low with my Hudson at the moment. So I'll be playing around with that a little bit more. Runs great, it's awesome. It's a bit big for a home green of this size. Here I'm cutting about 1,500 square feet, and you tend to chase it around a little bit. So, you know, keep that in mind if you're thinking about putting in a putting green. If you're doing a small one, a big greens mower is going to actually be a little bit more challenging. If you're mowing bigger spaces, fine. But these Hudsons at 68 pounds, they'll cut down low, and they'll get the grass looking absolutely on point. So again, make sure to check out Joe. His link and contact information is down below. And thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. Be safe, everybody.